Want to get a free honeymoon? I'll tell you exactly how to do it. It is one of those simple things most couples don't even think about. But it can actually work in your favor. When you start paying for your wedding, photo and video, the venue, catering, your dress, flowers, a planner, those are big payments. And here's the thing, if you're using a credit card that earns travel points, you could be collecting real benefits while planning your wedding. Now imagine this, you spend maybe $50,000 or $80,000 or maybe even $100,000 total on your wedding. If that entire amount goes through the right kind of card, that is a lot of points. At the very least, you're getting several nights at a beautiful hotel. For some couples, it is even enough to cover flights or upgrades. And the best part is you're not doing anything extra. You're just paying for what you already planned. By the way, if this tip feels helpful so far, don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment if this is something you'd try to your own wedding. We love hearing from you, and it helps us know what kind of content to create next. We always recommend our couples use credit cards like that, not just for honeymoon flights, but because you can use those points later. Maybe to celebrate your 1-year anniversary or take a special trip just for the two of you. If there is a smart benefit like that, why not take it? Of course, this only works if your vendors accept credit cards. Not all of them do, but we do. And we're happy to help you figure it out, how to use this to your advantage. If you're in the middle of planning, book a free consultation with me. I'll walk you through all the options, from choosing the perfect package to helping you build a smart payment plan. And when you book your wedding package with us for photo and video, you'll also receive a complimentary engagement session as a gift. Little things like this can make a big difference, and sometimes they lead to something amazing, like a free honeymoon.